Hey fam, my air just turned on. Hey fam, I just want to introduce this video really quickly because I got really excited and didn't say anything. I just kind of jumped into it. My best friend Christy just graduated from college, so I was thinking what's something that I can do that will make her feel special but also get me an absurd amount of attention and praise. And I decided on making her a cake and putting her face on it. I've been at my parents' house since like the beginning of May, and I'm very certain I did not take out my trash, which is really haunting me. I'm not able to sleep. I just kind of lay in my bed at night wondering. Bye. I think the most important thing to do in this situation, as well as any situation, is to just lower our expectations. Because this isn't gonna work. I know this isn't gonna work. The video I watched made it look way too easy, and things just never work out for me. And I'm just too confident as an artist when I absolutely should not be. I'll see the most extravagant eyeshadow look and I'll be like, I can do that. No cap. I have never said that before in my life. Not even really sure what it means, but we're gonna go with it. No cap, I can do that eyeshadow look. And then I'll do it and just the first layer will be a disaster, but I will never learn. And that's on narcissism. Also, peep this setup I have. Woo! I use my mom's studio lights because it's so dark and rainy outside. This is also 100% the first time I've put on jeans and or a shirt that isn't 100 years old since the quarantine started. I am not even kidding. I wish that I was. Jeans, t-shirt. Before we get started, I feel like there's something I need to address. There are two possible things that could go wrong. And when I say could, I mean 100% confirmed it's gonna go wrong. One, I bought salted butter instead of unsalted butter, which is probably gonna throw out the consistency of the icing. And then also, the Crisco I bought expired in 2017. But it's fine because, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart, I don't think expiration dates are real. I think they're made up. Plus, I'm not the one eating this cake, so if it is poisonous, I'm not the one who's gonna die. Christy and her entire family will. So the first thing we have to do is create the outline of her face on the wax paper. So I have a printout of her headshot. And if you're wondering why I have a printout of her headshot, it's best if you don't know. So what I did was I made a copy of her headshot and I blew it up, and then I traced it with tracing paper. And now I'm gonna transfer the tracing paper onto a white piece of paper, and then I'm gonna put the wax paper on top of that piece of paper, and then I'm gonna follow the lines and trace out her face. Actually, the first thing we have to do is make the icing, which I'm not looking forward to because this freaking butter is gonna ruin everything. Do you think this bowl is big enough? I guess we'll find out. I'm not gonna tell you how to make this because that's just stupid. No one's gonna make this. I don't know. I have a second camera and oh, and vanilla too. If you want to know where I get my complete disregard for expiration dates, my mom got this from my grandma's house and she died in 2009. My entire family's still alive besides my grandma. That just got dark. My entire family's still alive, so none of us believe in expiration dates. A lot just kind of pointing to them not being real. Something to think about. Gradually add in sugar. How am I gonna do that with this? Oh! Darn it. So in case you weren't listening before, which wouldn't be a surprise at all, I'm making this cake for my best friend Christy. She graduated undergrad this past weekend, or she was supposed to, but obviously everything's canceled, so she didn't. So I thought I'd make her this cake. And what can I say about Christy that hasn't already been said? Am I right? She's pretty funny. She has a million siblings. That might be all I know about her. Okay, so the icing's done. I haven't separated it into different colors yet because I want to do the outline of her face first. And I bought black icing for that. I put the smallest tip that I have in this icing bag and I think it's too big. So I'm scared. Okay. Okay, we're switching our angles a little bit. So I'm just gonna work on this and do like a fast motion thing, so. Okay, it's done. Isn't she beautiful? She is beauty, she is grace, she is Miss United States. I'm gonna go put her in the downstairs freezer and then we have to check back in 4 hours.
Oh, what?
I have to put this in the freezer and then we can check back in 4 hours.
It's in the freezer.
The downstairs freezer?
Oh, that.
Anyway, and then we'll have our hearts broken because it's not gonna work. Okay, so the icing conglomerate is in the freezer and my plan was me and Christy were gonna go hang out 6 feet apart after like 5, but I put it in there at like 3:20, blaze it, and it has to be in there for 4 hours. So I'm gonna have to call her and tell her that I can't come over until like 7:30 or something, I guess. She doesn't know that I'm doing anything for her graduation, so I'm gonna have to tell her I'm doing something why I can't come over. I can't come over until like 7:30.
Why? What's wrong?
All you need to know is I'm doing something weird. That's taking more time than I thought it was going to.
I don't like that you're using the word weird.
Or I could come over tomorrow morning. Yeah, it honestly might even work, so lower your expectations. I mean, they're probably already at the floor, but lower them even lower.
Oh my gosh.
Sub-zero.
Okay.
We're back, but we are not better. Come to you with a heavy heart. No one knows what the future holds, but it's not looking good. Chrissy's face has been in the freezer for 5 hours now. Her face is sticky. No, wait, sorry, her face is hard. Most of the icing has hardened, but the icing that I used for her hair was like this icing, because I didn't have any brown. And she's tacky, she will not harden. So I think I'm gonna leave it in overnight and pray that a miracle occurs. That a miracle occurs. I do have a solid backup plan though. I basically did another outline of her hair with chocolate, but I do still have to ice like the actual cake. Woo! So I thought we'd do that together. You know what I just thought of? I'm already so annoyed with all of the Tiger King costumes we're gonna see on Halloween in October. If there even is an October. I haven't even seen the show yet. I did read the book though. Okay, now we're adding the second layer of the cake. Just plop her on, I guess. Let's refocus to what's in. Oh! Oh my god, my mom said this is gonna happen. She said if I don't put enough icing on this, it's gonna like get all flaky. Message received. I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to this overnight mask thing I bought from Origin. I woke up yesterday and my cheek was red and my neck like itched a lot. So I am pretty sure I'm allergic, but I'm not allergic enough to stop using it because we don't waste things in this family. What can be said about Christy that hasn't already been said? That is a toughie. I just did this entire thing with one thing of icing. My mom said to get 2. Is this the first time I've ever been right about something? And it's been documented for the entire world to see. This one, beautiful cake. Can't wait to ruin it tomorrow with Kirsty's face. That's not what I meant. Oh yeah, yeah. If it does work out though, my self-esteem, mainly my ego, is that the same thing? My self-esteem is going to be through the roof. It's not going to though, because my life just doesn't work that way. All right, well, I'm gonna go to sleep and, you know? All right, bye. The moment has arrived. I am so tired. It's like 8:30, which is not that early. Also, this is literally the only hoodie I own. I'm not over exaggerating. So I'm sorry for the visual inconvenience. All right, so here is plan A. Her hair is still sticky, so what I'm gonna have to do is try to take only the face of this one and only the hair. This is my plan B. Her hair, made out of chocolate. So let's just see what failure really feels like. For some reason, all last night I envisioned myself using this tool, and it's for the grill, but... Oh wait, wait. Her face looks really good. Okay. I need like her hair to come off of the old one. Sorry, I can't talk and do this at the same time. Moment of second truth is to try to get her hair onto her face. I have absolutely no idea this is gonna work. Please don't break. Please, I've never asked you for anything. Okay. Okay, without a doubt, it could look worse. Now they always say congratulations. Work too hard, but go to vacation. That actually sounded pretty good. She is complete. And she is beautiful. Are you kidding me? It looks exactly the same. Why am I amazing at literally everything? My self-esteem is going to be through the roof. Okay. Oh my goodness! That is really good. Why am I amazing at everything? My self-esteem is going to be through the roof. I can't fit congratulations or any rag cap things. I don't have anything.
Put toothpicks around like that with the caps. Yeah, we did.
There's no time.
Yeah, there is. Really, honestly, we could do this in 10 minutes. Yeah, we do.
All right, since there's no indication that it's actually for her graduation, Mom said we should print this out and stick it on there. Oh, oops. Like that. So we're gonna put that on there and then we're gonna go. Shut up. It's me. I'm literally crying. Oh, I'm